friends, and thanks for joining me here talking about Rolls-Royce. Now, it's been a little bit of time with Rolls-Royce with me making a video on them, and really pretty much because there has not been really any new news. The company has just been doing their bread and butter of mechanical work / working on the future prototypes, jet engines that they will be releasing in the years to come. But the past week, we have seen some movement in Rolls-Royce. Now, if you've had your eyes on the stock market and you've been breathing here, I'm sure you've noticed that we have been in a massive bloodbath with the stock market. And I've pretty much had everyone in my personal life / online friends messaging me and saying, what should I buy? At this point, friends, anything's fair game. This is when I tell people you need to have money set aside. This is when you need to take out a little bit of money and put it in something. There's so much stuff that is on sale right now. And really what I have been telling people to buy right now is Tesla. Put as much as you can into Tesla right now because Tesla is on a massive sale right now. And I am one of those conspiracy people who think Tesla is going to be $1,500 by December of this year. So anyway, let's talk about Rolls-Royce. Let's go straight into a chart here. Now, when we saw the first second to mass decline with Rolls-Royce was about 3 months ago. Now, it was around December. Now, at that point, the stock had already been in the dollar range for a short amount of time, then shot up to almost $4. Then starting right here 3 months ago from December, it shot down to $1.80. And then it just kind of stayed there and it dropped more and dropped more. And then from that point, it pretty much went into low 130s to 140s. But this week, we have been seeing Rolls-Royce move up. And today, honestly, $1.57 with Rolls-Royce, that's actually really good. Those are good numbers, believe it or not, for us. Because I think a lot of people have been here around December because that's when we saw the mass decline with Rolls-Royce. And I think a lot of people went in right there saying, well, this is going to go straight back up. A lot of us thought that. But little did we know the company was taking a huge setback. And a lot of things were coming out that the company was having to lay off people. Projects were being set back years, and that it was going to take some time to recover if they could recover. So a lot of people are wondering, is it still a good time to buy Rolls-Royce, or is this thing going to drop below $1? And I'm going to be honest, last week I picked up a few more shares of Rolls-Royce, averaging down my price. But I am one of these people that thinks Rolls-Royce is going to come back in a heavy way. But the reason I say that, right now we're in this huge decline in the market. It's just bad. Everything's down. We are in a huge reset right now with talks of inflation, talks of stimulus not happening, food lines, people not being able to pay their mortgage, bonds lapsing, all this stuff is going on. So this has brought the market straight into the firing zone. And honestly, I'm ready for it to end at this point. I've got what I needed out of the market. I've bought all I can buy, and I'm ready to start making money again. In which it's funny that Rolls-Royce is going up right now when everything else is falling apart. But myself and a lot of people, I believe what we're counting on, what we're betting on right now with the Rolls-Royce is that when the world gets back to normal, Rolls-Royce will start to reap the benefits from that. But friends, you have to understand, this is going to take a long time. When I was talking about Rolls-Royce even 3 months ago, I was telling people you have to have patience in this. You have to be willing to watch your money be set on fire. And that's what we've had to do. And you have to have patience in this. But when the world starts to come back, this will come back. And there's stocks that I would even resemble with Rolls-Royce that are already starting to come back. Carnival Cruise Line being a great example, a stock that has been majorly hit and is starting to come back. I would even put AMC in that category. As the world continues to come back, things get normal, and maybe by 2022, and you only have 1/3 of America using masks anymore, and things kind of go back to normal, movie theaters are going to open up in a big way. And there's going to be a big boom, a big pop. People are going to start wanting to go out again. They're going to want to start to go to movies again. And you're going to see stocks like AMC really take off. And AMC just took in a ton of money from all of the Reddit situation that just happened with them from that stock being pumped up so massive. Investors reap the benefits of that, but AMC really reaped the benefits from that too. So I don't see them going out of business, having trouble anytime soon. They're gonna survive. But friends, right now with Rolls-Royce, what should you do with Rolls-Royce? If you are an investor in this, I would say just hold your ground. Just hold your ground. You've been here this long. I think we can hold a little bit longer until we see something come out here. Obviously, the rest of the year is going to be terrible with quarters coming out. We're not expecting to see good things. But the fact that Rolls-Royce right now is even going up tells me something. Tells me that we've got some movement going on. We've got people sitting in this. We've got people messing around with the volume. This is good. When you see a stock just go down and then kind of flatline, it gets kind of scary because people get bored with it. People don't want to be in it anymore. They pull all their money out. When you have a stock that fluctuates a little bit here, there, 20 cents, 30 cents here and there, 20 cents, 30 cents here and there, that's good. That keeps people interested, and it keeps news moving, and it keeps money flowing through the company and through investors' hands. But guys, these are my thoughts with Rolls-Royce. This stock is not going to make you a millionaire tomorrow or probably by the end of the year. If Rolls-Royce even went to a $2 to $2.50 by the end of the year, I personally would be very shocked. But friends, these are my thoughts, these are my concerns, these are the things I'm doing with Rolls-Royce. Let me know what you're doing, what you think about this. Comment, let me know, play nice in the comments. And I am curious to know, what is everybody doing? Are you buying more shares? Are you averaging down? Or have you just gotten out of this altogether? And no hard feelings, I get it. This is going to take a long time to reap the benefits from. But friends, like always, remember, be positive, be you. And guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. I really mean that. God bless you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, friends.